So this is the Amazon Fire TV, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install the Paramount Plus application so you can enjoy Paramount Plus content on your Amazon Fire TV. This could work on the Fire TV stick or the Fire TV Cube, whichever one you have. This is how to do it. So obviously the first thing you want to do is make sure the Fire TV is connected to the internet, and then on the home page, just go to the search function right there, this one right here. So go to that search function, and if you want to, you can go straight to the App Store and search from there, or you can simply go to that search function there, select it, and type Paramount Plus. And as you type, actually, you're going to get suggestions. So you can just shorten the search time by clicking on one of the suggestions. So go down and select Paramount Plus. If you don't see Paramount Plus, you can continue typing. So you should see results for Paramount Plus. So select it. And then that should take you to the Paramount Plus page on the Amazon Fire TV App Store. And what you want to do is simply go and select the download button. You can see the download button right there. So select that, and it's going to start downloading. All you have to do now is simply wait for the application to be downloaded and installed onto your Amazon Fire TV. So now it's finished downloading. It's currently now installing. And with the installation complete, you can launch by clicking open, or you can simply go back to the home page, which is what we'll be doing from now henceforth, and then go to apps and find Paramount Plus under recently used apps, or you can go to the list of all applications, click on that, and from here you should find Paramount Plus among your applications. Now, if you want Paramount Plus to appear on your homepage on this list up here, then all you need to do is go to apps, select apps, and then go to Paramount Plus, and then press the three-line button on your remote, this one right here. Press it once, and from the menu on the right hand side, you can choose to move, and now you can move the Paramount Plus application to the top row, maybe there, just between Freevee and Prime Video. Then press the select button, and that's it. So now when you go home and reload, you can actually see the Paramount Plus icon has been added to the home screen. From here, you can launch Paramount Plus, and then go ahead and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, then you can sign up from right here and enjoy Paramount Plus content. And that's basically how you can download and install Paramount Plus on your on your Amazon Fire TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.